Guys, we are here live at Ojukwu Memorial. At Ojukwu Memorial. Life at Ojukwu Memorial. Our great hero. Our great hero. We are here live and direct.
You welcome our chief. We are currently at item number 4.
I must see it live and direct. Biafra must stand. Biafra for life. We know they carry last. Abi, Biafra for life, right? Yes. Our hero, Ikemba Odumegwu Ojukwu Memorial, live here in Owerri. At Ojukwu Memorial Library, Owerri. At Ojukwu Memorial Library. Ibamaka. Wow. Guys, we are here live at Ojukwu Memorial Library, live in Owerri, Imo State.
Permit me to call upon the podium
live and direct
for his opening speech or address, engineer.
I must see what's going on here. Okay, too much. Live and direct. Live and direct at Ojukwu Memorial. Ikemba Odumegwu Ojukwu Memorial. Live in Owerri. Live in Owerri. Live in Owerri. We are here live and direct. Ojukwu Memorial.
Ladies and gentlemen, we also want to recognize
my mom. I did this.
Chief Innocent Ugu. Please, a round of applause for Chief Innocent Ugu.
Mommy.
And of course, we have Chief Felix.
I come on live.
Can we also applaud him and recognize his presence by clapping?
I'm not live. Can't cover.
Now, the moment we are waiting for the address of the chairman of today's event, the 10th edition of Ikemba Odumegwu Ojukwu Memorial Lecture. The chairman is no other person than the son of our late sage.
At Ojukwu Memorial, guys. Oh, this son is too much.
The youngest chairman ever since the inception of this memorial lecture.
We are here live and direct, guys. Ojukwu son. We are here live and direct. We are here live and direct at Ojukwu Memorial.
Ladies and gentlemen,
That's Ojukwu
I would like to welcome you all to this occasion. Let me start by welcoming His Excellency, the Deputy Governor of Anambra State, Dr. Ikemba Odumegwu, our chairman at last year's event, Chief John Wosu, Ezemri, Prince Ifeanyi Oyesu, Barrister James Ezike, Chairman of Ohaneze Imo State, Dr. Ezechi Chukwu, Professor Protus Nathan, Chetane Women's Group Nigeria.
Yes, my mom.
Chief Bart Ifeodiora and members of the Igbo present here. Chief Felix Ezamo, Dr. Emeka Ukebu, Chief Innocent Ugu, Oye Pokoro Anyeba, Okenwa, Ndi Eze, Ndi Nze, Ndi Ozo, Ndi Uka, ụmụnne m na ụmụnna m.
Yeah.
Daalụ.
Daalụ.
Oh, great Pasobians.
Yes.
Thank you. 10 years ago, when my father, Ikemba Odumegwu left us, I was a child. Yet, I can never forget the outpouring of love that you, Umunnim, showed him.
Yes, sir.
In life and in death, you stood with him. Since that fateful day 10 years ago, Okenwa, who in life took the baton of fighting for our people from Ediboguruburu, took it upon himself to celebrate him year after year. As he honored the Ikemba in life, he continued after his mortal life was over. In these almost 10 years, no state governor in the southeast has done this incredible and noble task. Despite the fact that Ediboguruburu was our leader through a war to save us from the genocide that faced our people.
Yes.
Okenwa, a son in Ikemba's life, has remained a son. Never forgetting, never flagging, and never deviating from the responsibility. Today, we live in a world where many prefer to forget the battles which were waged to bring us this far. The sacrifices of so many in this unrelenting quest to end our marginalization, and the continued fights for a just and equitable state that we can live in without oppression. Nobody without passion for his people and a spirit of sacrifice can lead us to the promised land, no matter how genuine their intentions are. Today, as we remember the passing of my father, let us celebrate our resilience as a people. Biafra remains the only country that required the combined effort of three of the greatest superpowers to come together to subdue.
Yes, sir.
Biafra must stand. All hail Biafra.
Yes.
It remains the first country where starvation was employed as an instrument of war. Even then, this remarkable country survived for 3 whole years. The ingenuity of our engineers gave birth to Obunigwe, a multiple re-entry missile. We refined our own petrol. Our school system worked uniformly and was never interrupted during the entire period of the war. We had order, and when compared to the situation we are faced with today, I think we can look back and say that we as a people are incomparable.
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you. As we mark this 10th year anniversary, in Dubai, let us look back and look deep. Let us rally round and remember the vision planted so long ago. Let us continue to honor all our loved ones who lost their lives during the war, and never forget the foreigners who left the comfort of their homes to fight for us and with us. We can never forget all the countries that came to our aid, provided refuge and support in our time of need.
Yes.
We remember Bruce Mayrock, that young man, even younger than me, who took our plight to heart, so much so that he gave his life for us, just to make the world look and see the evil being perpetrated against us. We will never forget. I also can never forget that this land, Owerri, is the land that received my relatives and kindred when they fled for refuge during the war.
Yes.
This land received its brethren from the other parts of the East as they fled for their lives. And most importantly, we must never forget our brethren who remain in captivity today for our cause. We pray God come to their aid. It is indeed a privilege to be here today. Owerri, Ikemba.
Yes. Yes, so.
Okay, Umunem, I salute you all.
Yes.
I salute your courage. I salute your kindness. I salute the indomitable spirit, loyalty, and love you showed my father in life and in death. Ibokweni.
Yeah.
Ibokweni.
Yeah.
Yes, so.
Round of applause for our young chairman. Continue to applaud him as he takes his seat. That is the young
Thank you, my sister. Your son, right? I'm busy. We see later. Let me know. Yes, my people. I just greeted her. Here, life and the rest.
A round of applause once again for Chairman, please. Last night at the gala night, the chairman assured me and those of us that were present,
guys, I'm here live and direct Ojukwu Library
and he has
for
done
his
memorial
Ojukwu Memorial today, guys.
His speech are so touching, emotional, and I had to control my tears when my chairman was addressing. A round of applause
Biafra
once again
stand.
for our able chairman. The youngest chairman so far in the history of
All hail Biafra.
Memorial. At this spot, we are on item number 7.
All hail Biafra.
Of
The rising sun.
and cultural truths that we perform.
We are still here live. Yes, Masop. Yes. Yes, Masop. Talk to them. Oh, yeah, talk to them. They're seeing you.
It's been Masobians are here.
Okay, the big Masobians are here. Great. Great day. Ojukwu Memorial, I've already told them. Yes.
And of course, Jele Masquerade is
The choir, we can never die. Biafra, the
Sahara Africa.
big Masobians are here live.
Once again.
Look at crowd, guys. Our great hero. Our great hero. Our great hero.
You start getting ready for your performance. We also want to call out your key zone. You're presenting us with bicycle dancers.
At Ojukwu Memorial today, guys. Live and direct in Owerri, Imo State. At Ojukwu Library.
So if you are ready, you start coming to perform and entertain our guests. Ladies and gentlemen, like I said earlier on,
hey, good day, man. Okay. Okay, guys, I need to end here. Then I will still end.
We have Oluso is presenting the cultural dance group. Okoro. We have Okoro dance. That will perform by is also performing.
Yemeka.
We have the cultural dance by Owerri Zone.
Thank you.
The African region. We also perform the Anambra South
Hey, God. Thank you.
Enugu East Zone.
Hey, God.
If you are ready, you come out to perform.
Muna ya hugo, muna Ojukwu hugo ya. Muna. Hey.
Okay, I'm directed by our chief host that all the masquerades are to be on track sequentially.
Don't be smart. I will still come live later. I think I will end here. Okay. Shortly. Maybe my God, the other side.
Yes, I'm directed by the chief host. Apart from the masquerade that will position itself, every other cultural troupe should come and they should be on cue to perform one after another. Ladies and gentlemen, today is the 10th edition. Because of time factor, we want all of us to go home on time.
Hello guys, I will enter another life, please. Let's just concentrate now.